In this video, we will walk you through how to use Siovue Video Converter's video compression feature step by step, making it easy to compress your video files efficiently. First, launch the Siovue Video Converter application. Once opened, select the compressor feature from the main menu to begin the video compression process. Next, click the Add Video button, or simply drag and drop the videos you want to compress into the program. You can add multiple videos to batch process them at once. After adding your videos, select the folder where you want to save the compressed files. Click the Settings button at the bottom of the video list to configure the save path. Now, choose the compression quality. If you want to set the quality for just one video, click the Quality button on that video's view. To set the same quality for all videos, click the Set Quality button at the bottom of the interface. After setting the compression quality, you can also select the output format and resolution. For individual videos, click the Format and Resolution options next to each video. To apply the same settings to all videos, use the corresponding buttons at the bottom of the interface. Once everything is set, you can start the compression process. To compress a single video, click the Compresses button next to the video. To compress all videos at once, click the Start All button at the bottom of the screen. After compression is complete, switch to the Finish tab to view all the completed videos. Click the folder icon next to the video and it will open the video location in Finder. And that's how you use Siovue Video Converter to compress your videos. With smaller file sizes, sharing and storing videos becomes much easier. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy using the software.